How to use Accuhaler. Holding the Accuhaler in one hand horizontally, press the thumb of your other hand at the groove of the device. Open the Accuhaler by pushing the thumb grip right along until it stops. The mouthpiece should now be fully visible. Hold the mouthpiece toward you and push the lever away from you until it clicks. Take the inhaler from your mouth while breathing out. Push the mouthpiece to your lips. Breathe in forcefully and deeply until you have taken a full breath. Remove your Accuhaler and hold your breath for 10 seconds or as long as are comfortable. Breathe out slowly through your mouth or your nose. Clean the mouthpiece by tissue or darlene-free cloth. Close your Accuhaler by sliding the thumb grip back to the original positions. It makes your Accuhaler ready to use again next time. Rinse your mouth with water after using your Accuhaler. How to know when to replace your Accuhaler. The number in the dose counter window shows on the device. Total doses are 60 inhalations and count down to 0. Author recommendations: repeat all steps for each puff ordered by your physician. Wait 1 to 5 minutes in between puffs. If you have two types of device, you should use the bronchodilator first. Wait a few minutes and then follow with the corticosteroid device. Use the Accuhaler continuously followed by your doctor order. Should not stop the medication by yourself.